Can we have some fun today? Yeah, you guys ready to have some fun? And how many of you guys have big goals, big dreams?
What drives you? And you need to figure out what that is for you. So for example, for me,
I'm gonna retire my mom.
Think about the vacations you take. Think about the family members you could spoil.
you know, every decision that you make is gonna decide what's gonna happen to you in your future.
Here's what my mentor taught me: to know and to not yet do is to not yet know. Because if you know, you don't apply it. It's almost better of not knowing it. And here's what happened.
There was a gentleman that was speaking, and he shared some information with me, and I thought to myself, what if? What if I could do this? And I look back every single day and I think, what would have happened to me if on day one I wouldn't have paid attention? What if on day one I would have kept that negative attitude and I didn't open up my mind? And you're going to look back and say, man, I was there at Secret at the beginning. I saw that at the beginning. I saw that whenever they were just getting started.
Because of where we sit right now with so many different factors. Never before in the history of this industry have you ever had a company that had already done 600 million that was willing to risk that on people like me and you.
Because they were like, you know what? No, this is the model of how relationship marketing is supposed to go. This is the model that Secret prepared, which is what is the future for the information age, that is the networking worldwide business. That is what everybody here, I believe that we're a part of, and it's so much bigger than some of you signed up for. You're like, this is a little too much for me. It's okay. Hang on. It's going to be a fun ride.
Please welcome Anna to the team!
She brought the check.
Jake Rosario on fire making it happen. See, these regional events, that's what it's designed to do. That's the secret to this business.